Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Subarachnoid hemorrhage. The main cause of subarachnoid hemorrhage is the head trauma is the most common cause of subarachnoid hemorrhage. In Subarachnoid hemorrhage. In the subarachnoid hemorrhage, head trauma is the most common cause of subarachnoid hemorrhage. Here, and subarachnoid hemorrhage can also occur due to the berry aneurysm, or it can occur due to the bleeding from the vascular anomaly can result in subarachnoid hemorrhage. Or if there is any extension from the primary intracerebral hemorrhage can also result in subarachnoid hemorrhage. So whether the rupture of head trauma or rupture of berry aneurysm or bleeding from the vascular anomaly or extension from the primary intracerebral hemorrhage, all these will result in subarachnoid hemorrhage.
thank you and thank you for watching.